Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss, the detailed estimated cost of repairing a Chromebook screen. Accidents happen, and we understand how crucial it is to have an idea of the potential expenses involved in fixing a damaged screen. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech-savvy individual, stick around as we break down the factors that influence the cost of Chromebook screen repairs. Let's dive in. The first step in estimating the cost of repairing a Chromebook screen is diagnosing the issue accurately. Not all screen damages are the same, and different types of problems may require different solutions. Common screen issues include cracks, shattered glass, dead pixels, or unresponsive touchscreens. Once the problem is identified, a professional technician can provide a more accurate estimate for the repair. The next significant factor affecting the cost of Chromebook screen repairs is whether you choose an original manufacturer or a third-party repair service. Opting for an authorized repair center provided by the manufacturer may be more expensive, but it often comes with the assurance of using genuine parts and expertise. On the other hand, third-party repair services may offer lower costs, but it's essential to do thorough research and choose a reputable provider to ensure quality and warranty coverage. The cost of repairing a Chromebook screen can also vary based on the model and screen size. High-end Chromebooks with larger screens and advanced features may have pricier replacement parts. It's crucial to identify your Chromebook's model and screen size accurately before seeking a repair estimate. Some models may have specialized screens, and finding the right replacement can affect the overall cost. Chromebooks come with various screen types and technologies, such as LED, LCD, touchscreen, or Retina displays. The type of screen and its technology will impact the repair cost. For instance, repairing a touchscreen panel can be more expensive than a non-touchscreen display due to the complexity and specialized components involved. Another factor to consider is whether your Chromebook is still under warranty. If your device is within the warranty period, and the screen damage is covered by the warranty terms, you may be eligible for a free or significantly discounted repair. However, if your Chromebook is out of warranty, you'll likely be responsible for the full cost of the repair. Some tech-savvy individuals may consider self-repair as a cost-saving option. While DIY repairs can be more budget-friendly, they come with risks. Attempting to fix the screen yourself may lead to further damage or void the warranty. For a reliable and quality repair, it's best to opt for professional repair services, ensuring that your Chromebook is in safe hands. Keep in mind that the estimated cost of repairing a Chromebook screen may not solely cover the replacement part. Additional costs, such as labor fees, diagnostic charges, and shipping costs, may apply depending on the repair provider. Always inquire about any potential extra charges to avoid surprises when receiving the final bill. To get the most accurate cost estimate for your Chromebook screen repair, we recommend obtaining quotes from multiple repair providers. Reach out to authorized service centers, as well as reputable third-party repair shops, and compare their quotes. Be cautious of unusually low quotes, as they may indicate the use of inferior parts or lack of expertise. There you have it, folks. The detailed estimated cost of repairing a Chromebook screen depends on various factors, including the issue's nature, the type of screen, the Chromebook model, and whether it's under warranty. When faced with a damaged screen, prioritize professional repair services to ensure the best possible outcome for your beloved Chromebook. Remember to compare quotes, inquire about additional costs, and choose a reputable provider to guarantee a successful and cost-effective repair. We hope this information helps you make informed decisions when it comes to repairing your Chromebook screen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and useful information. Until next time, take care, and may your Chromebook stay in perfect shape for all your digital adventures.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.